I want to show you a really pretty camera.
All right, let me see.
Out of Weatherford, and I want to point out the colors. You see the trees?
Wow.
They actually have some color. So Parker County looking pretty good. But it is off to a cold start, still at about 46 degrees there under a beautiful blue sky. Fort Worth also looking clear. Dallas looking clear. This is a look from our Fair Park camera, still 46 degrees with a blue sky overhead. Okay, a lot of people sneezing over the weekend, and I'm not saying it's all because of this, but this might have something to do with it. Ragweed was at a moderate, mountain cedar also at a moderate, but this morning a lot of places recorded a freeze, and that should help lower the ragweed pollen count. Yesterday, that count was likely elevated because of the breezy conditions we had, really shaking up some of that pollen in our air. Over the next several days, we're going to notice a warm up. 58 degrees expected Tuesday, 63 on Wednesday, and 64 on Thursday. We have a front that comes in Thursday. That is what's going to help bring in the rain. It's also what's going to help cool us down slightly for Friday. Our temperatures rebound into the 60s over the weekend. So today, a high of 53 in Fort Worth, 52 in Denton, about 53 in Decatur, and 53 in Mineral Wells. Overall, this is trending about 10 degrees cooler than what's the normal for this time of the year. Tonight, we're going to notice a little more cloud cover moving in, and that cloud cover is what's going to help keep temperatures from freezing. A lot of locations still cold. You'll still need the jackets in the morning, but we won't be dealing with the freeze like what we saw this morning. And we're looking at a clear sky now, but a lot of the cloud cover hanging out towards the south. This cloud cover is going to move in, stroll in, and you can see it already coming in from our far western portions of the state. So we'll notice that throughout the day. In fact, a few of our southern counties may even see this by late afternoon. We told you about the rain, though. That's going to come on Thursday. Today, dry. Tuesday, dry, except for a little cloud cover moving in. On Wednesday, you'll notice a little more cloud cover, a southerly wind returning, helping bring in a little more moisture. That's what's going to help really ramp up our rain chances come Thursday once our front approaches. So on Thursday, early in the morning, we have this disturbance that helps bring in some rain along I-35 and to the east. As of now, it looks like we're going to see the highest coverage along our eastern counties. But then the front comes in late in the day Thursday, closer to about 10 or 11 at night. And that's what's going to ramp up our storm potential. Now, with these storms, these are going to be really isolated. We could see a strong storm or two, but the higher threat for some severe weather is going to be east of North Texas. That's where really we're looking at seeing the potential for some hail, maybe some gusty winds. As Thursday night falls, I mean, we're just going to see this rain clearing out and then some cloud cover to start Friday. And overall, we're not expecting a lot of rain. In fact, if you are anywhere west of the I-35 corridor counties, less than 2/10 of an inch of rain, about 1/4 of an inch for areas like Denton, Tarrant, maybe even portions of Ellis, Johnson County, closer to 1/2 an inch if you are east of I-35. In our far eastern counties, we're looking at closer to about 1/2 an inch to maybe even an inch of rainfall between Thursday and again Saturday and Sunday. So it's again not going to be a lot of rain all at once. I think a bulk of the rain happens Thursday with another round coming in Saturday and Sunday. Our temperatures are going to be warmer than what we experienced today, and overall next week it's looking pretty mild. Temperatures in the mornings are going to be in the mid-40s, which is still cool, with afternoons in the 60s. And again, any rain mostly Thursday, and then again, not everywhere, but over the weekend.